Good day, good day. My name is Decorate Mashaba. Today I want to share with you my long-term analysis and overview on the situation that is currently going on gold. So the analysis is just gonna be very quick, and let's start on the weekly time frame. I mean the monthly time frame, where on a monthly time frame actually gonna be focusing on mostly on trend. I mean candlesticks and support and resistance. So we're not gonna be looking on a lot of stuff here on the monthly, just to show you guys how the price of gold has been moving over the past few months. So as we can see right now, gold it's been on this massive uptrend here. As you can see, it went all the way to 2000. It was 2070 and 65, which is also the exact same price where gold is currently pulling back and giving us some bearish structure or pullbacks. So as I said, that we're going to be focusing on candlesticks and also support and resistance on this one. So we can notice that gold is bouncing from this resistance level here. It failed to break above it from last month. So it just touched that zone there and then rejected to close with this massive shooting star candlestick on the monthly time frame. So this is very important. This is very much important. So it is a confluence when we want to use our price action here. Very careful. It is a confluence of this resistance zone and also this massive bearish shooting star. Actually, it's a bullish candlestick, as we can see, but it signifies that the price is currently rejecting. So you can see how big rejection is to show that bullish buyers were rejected, how buyers were strongly rejected from pushing price above the zone of 2065. So they clearly failed to break above that zone, and then they got rejected. So this is the power of the bear or the sellers. So I won't take much time on the weekly time frame. So we don't look for much actually on the monthly time frame. We just look for massive structures and candlestic patterns actually that we can rely on. So you need to also keep in mind of that candlesticks and support and resistance that are formed from the weekly and the monthly time frames are very much important. So as you can see right now, we also have this support level which price have created. This is similar to what I'm showing here right now. You can see price created this level from here. It created the level and then it pushed a little bit higher, and then it failed to continue going up, and then it gave us this candlestick pattern here. These tweezers, we call them tweezers. So it rejected coming down, but only to test this support level, and then it got rejected here. As you can see, this candlestick. So you can see the size of the rejection here. It is very massive. So this also clearly indicates that buyers or sellers they had no power to actually penetrate through this level, clearly violate that level, pushing price going to the downside. So pushed price higher, and then similarly, a similar situation here. It's what is currently happening here. So as for now, we can dive to the smaller time frame. Like, let me dive to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, this is what is currently happening right now. So you need to be aware also of this. As you have seen, I have shown you those candlesticks there. So I'm also going to be showing you another candlestick patterns here. So we will, for now, leave aside those resistance and support levels which we have already drawn, and focus mostly on the candlestick patterns. So you can see a similar candlestick pattern right from the level, right from that strong resistance level of 2070 or 2060 something. Price created this massive shooting star. This is similar to what we had on the weekly, but a little bit different, because this one is a bear candlestick. That one on the monthly time frame rather, it is a bullish shooting star, right? A bullish shooting star. So it closed as a bullish, but it is a massive shooting star, which indicates that buyers were rejected. So also we also have, let me do this here. The next video I'll be using a trading view to analyze the market in order for me to be able to show you guys. So as you can see here, we had price doing this, and then it went up. Now price got rejected, and then it is pushing down. So this is another level that we can focus on, which is called a double top. Sorry, it is a pattern that we can also focus on, which is called a double top. So as you can see, price is now pushing to the downside. So I want to show you another candlestick pattern that we can focus on to actually have a little bit of more confluence, so that our sell opportunity can be very, very strong. So you can see now we are currently having a candlestick which is currently in place, and price just opened and shot to the downside without hesitation. The previous candlestick, the last week candlestick, this is last week candlestick. As you can see, we call this candlestick an engulfing pattern. So it is an engulfing pattern because the previous candlestick before the last week candle, this bullish candlestick, you see price pushed to the upside and then it closed here, and then last week it opened and then it failed to push and closed as a bullish, but it actually closed as a bearish candlestick, engulfing the overall price of the previous candle, of this previous candlestick, right? So it is another candlestick pattern or stick signal. So yeah, that's it. So let's dive down to the daily time frame. So when we come to the down to the daily time frame, that's where things start to get a little bit more interesting, right? So here we have this is where we're going to use our trend lines, right? So we have this pattern here. In fact, I'm going to make another video, guys, showing you the different types of patterns that we have in the market, right? So here we can see we have a head and shoulders formation, which price is currently intending to break, but we confirm this as yet, because we need a close from a daily time frame below this neck of our head and shoulders. So let me demonstrate this to you like this. we have a head and shoulders here. So it is like this. Where the hell is my stuff? Okay, let me take another one. Take another one. What is going on? Okay, like this. Excuse me, and also like this. So this is it. This is it. This is it, guys. So we now have our head and shoulders. That is a head and shoulders. If you are familiar with head and shoulders, you can confirm with me here. This is a head and shoulders, but we cannot confirm it as a head and shoulders yet because we need a strong close below the neckline of our head and shoulders to confirm and to look for more downside movement, right? Or more sell entries, right? So that's it, guys. That's all I had to show you. So I won't dive down to the smaller time frames just because that's where things start to get a little bit more confusing. But daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame, they are always almost the same. They're almost the same. So another thing, you can use what I've been using from the monthly time frame. You can use it, like you can use candlestick patterns from the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames. Even the 4 hour time frames, right? They are strong. They are a little bit strong. So if you see them on the bigger time frames, that's where you can at least confirm your entries using those types of candlestick patterns, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this new channel. This is a new channel basically, and I hope and believe that I'll be making more of this type of content. And then in order for me to grow this YouTube channel, you just need to subscribe and like for more content. So cheers, big up, big up, big up. I hope you make profits on this one.